Welcome to JH.BX1100.com claims to be a rewards website offering you a $100 Starbucks gift card just for completing a short survey and a few promotional deals. Because we all know how much multi-billion-dollar corporations love handing out free money to strangers for 3 minutes of their time. But the big question is this site actually legit or just another digital dumpster fire? Let's find out together. The first thing we checked was the registration details, and it turns out the website was only registered in October 2025. It's so fresh it's practically from the future, which is usually a great sign if you enjoy being scammed by time travelers. Legit websites usually have a solid online history and a reputation to back them up, not a birth certificate that's still wet. Next, when we clicked the Get Now button, instead of a confirmation, it redirected us to a completely different website. It's like ordering a latte and being handed a brochure for life insurance. A massive red flag that they're just farming affiliate clicks. Then we went hunting for any sign of a social media presence, but they're ghosting the entire internet. There's nothing on Facebook, Instagram, or even X. Apparently, they're too busy giving away money to bother with basic human interaction. To make matters worse, the site has no privacy policy, no contact details, and no About page. So, if they decide to sell your personal data to the highest bidder, you won't even have an email address to complain to. It's a total safety nightmare. Finally, we searched for reviews on Trustpilot, and the silence was deafening. There isn't a single rating or user feedback post to be found anywhere. It's almost as if that $100 gift card is a total myth. Shocking, I know. With a brand new domain, random redirects, and zero transparency, all signs point toward a potential scam. Our advice is simple: don't risk it. Avoid sharing your personal or financial details on sites that look this sketchy. Thanks for watching till the end, and if you enjoyed this reality check, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest updates.